Drake Beats.
So we picked up the wood from Home Depot. Man, it's freaking hot now. Gotta get a little air circulating or something. Picked up the wood from Home Depot, and now we're headed back to the house to get everything copacetic. You see all the wood right there. Yes, I'm using the truck to get the wood to the house, but I have a little bit of time to get some things done before I have to be somewhere later. So what that means, I will be slow your ass down, working on my shed today. So therefore, if you see the wood, hopefully you can see it. But at the same time, that's what I'm going to be working on. I told you I'm going to be working on some stuff, and I'm going to go ahead and try to get some other stuff done as well, and go ahead and get this up and get it sturdy, get it ready, so that way when I buy my next pieces, it shall be the outside and the inside pieces. I don't know how much it's going to cost. I will go back and price check. I did find the ones I was looking for at the Home Depot, that I went to. It's just that day that I saw it, they ran out, and I had the money at the time. And then, now that, funds are kind of low, I don't want to go ahead and try to get everything and then not have everything. You get what I mean? Like, I want to do certain things and then go from there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you an insight of what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and build a little base type thing and have it stuck inside the other pieces, so it'll make it a little bit taller. I just don't want to get in trouble by the city for making it tall. I'm not going to make it as tall as a house, but I just don't want to get in trouble for making it, building code specs. I think that's what they have, is building code specs. And I don't want to have it too tall, but at the same time, I still want to have room to stack stuff on top of the stuff if need be, and and still have room to put other stuff in if I need to. Like I said, I'm just trying to get it done. I'm just doing everything by ear, and I might be spending money unnecessarily, but at the same time, I am going to go ahead and just do it and play it by ear. And whatever I don't use, I'll just use it for something else, because I'm always building something. So therefore, I never throw building materials away, because sometimes they're very costly, they're very expensive. So I don't just throw stuff away. I don't waste materials. If need be, I can always sell it to somebody if they need it, or make something out of it for the kiddos or something to that extent. But I'm going to go ahead and quit all the chitter chattering. I know this video is going to be long. I'm going to go ahead and make it, into parts, so that way it's not, 30-minute video, 40-minute video. I'm having to cut things and do this and that. I know I'm talking a lot, but at the same time, I want you to know exactly what I got planned and exactly what I'm doing and what I plan on doing for the schedule. And I am going home now to work on it, and we're going to put certain things up and get certain things done. And then maybe I'll eat. It's past one, so I was going to say maybe I'll eat lunch, but it's a little bit later for lunch, so I'll probably just eat something and then resume. I know I was supposed to resume on this video the other day, but like I said, with the kiddos, it kind of messed up everything, and the wife had to go to work, and we're down to one vehicle, so I couldn't just stop and do that, because we were limited to one car. But at the same time, like I said on the previous video, this first, after this, then certain things, and then after those certain things, then I'm going to finish the other project that I have. I'm going to fix it. After I fix it, I will be driving it, and then that will be a flip build, but at the same time, it's going to be fixed and be driven. That way people know that it's, copacetic. So, got a pro for it, but we're going to go ahead and get that done and things, and then get that stuff done, and then after we get that done, then we're gonna go ahead and continue with the prelude build. So hopefully, I get what I'm looking for, and after everything is said and done on the build, on the quick build, and then after that, maybe I'll put another build on the channel, and then we'll just keep going from there. But at the same time, I want to get this done. I've been wanting to get this done for quite a while, and it's certain things holding me up. But am I mad about it? No. It's just, life goes on, then you learn, and then you keep learning, and then you build from there. So, they got it open. You build from there. But I am going to stop all the chitter chatting and go ahead and get to the house, get this wood out, and then after that, maybe see if my battery is charged for my my drill, and then we'll go ahead and get screws in, then get some things done to see if I need to do like brackets, trees, or something like that. And maybe I won't have to. Maybe I can just do it a different way. But I want to do it this way. That way it's sturdy, and I'm going to cut some pieces off. So everything I'm doing will be recorded. So guys, you will not be stuck in the loom on what's, not stuck and lost on stuck and lost on what's going on. And I'll get everything, set up and make sure it's copacetic. Sorry, sweetheart, but you should turn your turn signal on a long time ago. I don't know what you're doing. Are you scared to drive because of the bubble right there? Or what? But yeah, I will resume with this when I get to the house, and we will get this wood unloaded and get started on the shed. Alright, this is what I got so far. I'm not saying I'm done. It's just, this is going to be my brace to hold it to where it won't lean right now, so I can figure out how to get certain things done. And one of you guys said use L brackets to get the base to where it stays level. But at the same time, with the L brackets, it would interfere. Let me show you real quick. It would interfere with the bottom on here. It'll interfere with the bottom on how that goes, and then I'm trying to get things in the door. So if I got the L bracket, it will mess it up on how it looks, and then I wouldn't be able to get anything in. It's already a tight space as it is, but if I got an L bracket, it just make it even tighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to figure out some more stuff, and then I'll move in here in a little bit, and I'll put some maybe stuff out. I don't know if y'all can see that. How uneven it is right here. I'll get a better video, a better picture of it. But it's uneven. This is not even. These are not even with those on the cloth. So I might have to get another piece to swap on top to where make it even to where it can make it flush, where I can go ahead and make it one whole piece. And then once I get that done. Once I get that done, then it all makes sense. It'll all go together. I can make it all flush and then go from there. This is just the bracket to hold it, like I said, and then this is just the bracket to hold it. So I am fixing to honestly get over here, right here, and cut. You see that little piece of sticking out? I'm gonna cut that off to make it where it's flush, and then I'm gonna go and do this side back here. There's another side, I think, that's back here. Yeah, back here. Make this flush right here. Cut this off, make it flush, and then go back into getting everything pulled and tightened and things like that. And then go ahead, and I got some more wood, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to figure out how I want to do my pieces. So I want to do a piece like this and just leave it like that, and then build off of the pieces that you already see back there. Go ahead and lay a piece of wood on top of it, and then with that piece of wood that's laying on top, go ahead and figure out how I want to get my roof to either curve or lay down. But I think I want my roof to curve just a little bit. I want to go, I'm gonna show you real quick. I want to go just like this. I want to go like a little angle like this, and then like that, straight out like that. You know, so it's gonna go straight, and then a little angle like that. So the water still, when it comes, it still beads off a little bit on the sides. It'll come down, but it still bead off. Or I might come like at an angle, like leave it flat right here, and then angle it like that, sort of. So it'll be straight, and then the angle just right, and then it'll drop down like that. A lot of curves, but at the same time, I want to make it to look like where it's a storage shed, not just something I put together. I want to make it look nice. At the same time, I'm going to be using this, so I want to make sure it's sturdy enough so when I start putting stuff in here, nothing collapses when I put stuff in here, and you know, it makes sense to me. So I'm going to stop all the chitter chatter, and we're going to get back into this video. Okay, I got the sides cut off. I know I didn't record it, but it just took too long, and I kind of like skipped through it. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like now that I got it cut off, and then gives you an idea of what it's gonna look like when I get the sides put on. Go ahead and look. If you remember how it looked before. And then, you know, I got that cut, and that's all the extra pieces and stuff like that. I know you probably can't see my hair, but I'm white. Got dust everywhere. Got to go wash my face and get some stuff done. But it's coming along very, very well. I got some extra wood over here. I don't know if you know, but I did go to I did go to Home Depot and get some more wood. And this wood right here is going to be used for something else. And I'm still trying to decide, guys, what door I want to put in here, and if I want to do the other door where it holds, should I say, where it's flush. I haven't decided on that, but it's coming along very, very well. I'm going to go ahead and I'm standing inside of it right now to see, you know, how it feels to you walk inside. It's not completely flush and closed and stuff like that, but it's going to be one of those work in progresses, guys. Like I said, I'm still trying to decide if I want to put maybe some tin on the inside or something like that to help keep it kind of not really cool, but at the same time keep it to where can't nobody get in and can't nobody see in. Even if they puncture the outside, they can't see what's in the inside. And if it rains or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to pause here, and I will continue with the rest of the video tomorrow when I get off work and try to get some more work done to the top. I have to be somewhere at a certain time, so therefore I'm having to cut it short, and I'm gonna go ahead and resume this video tomorrow. But like I said, it's coming along very well. I'm liking what I see. I'm liking how it's going, and like I said before, if you can see the top pieces, it's uneven, and I don't want to cut those down. I just want to leave them like they are. So I might just go ahead and get a piece to go on top, and then make it to where it's flush all the way across, and it wouldn't be that hard. I can go get me another piece of, another one of these, and make it flat, and then just go across and make it to where it's one whole piece. And then if I want to do the door, then I can do the door off of that and go from there. But I'm going to go ahead and pause it here, and I'll resume with this video tomorrow.